Hi, my name is Tooba Naqvi and I'm from Different High School in Newport, and I've had the honours to do a 1 week work experience in the National Assembly for Wales. Well, I really wanted to come here just to kind of see, how it would be to work in a very, formal environment. Also, my interests are politics, so, Welsh politics even. So this was a perfect place for me to come to kind of get an insight of, the career that I want to pursue and to see if this is the place that I want to be working in a few years. Communications, I looked at the media relations, outreach service, and web content, and it was just really nice to see how communications, how important it is for the Welsh Assembly, especially with modern technology coming in, and just to see how it's evolving. Policy and legislation was my main interest, so I definitely learned a lot of things from there as well. The royal assent procedure, also how a bill is turned into an act, legislative procedures, and a lot of things from there as well. Yeah, I would definitely encourage a lot of other students to come here. I just feel that it's definitely given me a real insight of what it is like to work in a very formal environment. It's formal yet still the staff are very helpful and friendly, and I've picked up a lot of things, like I said, the different procedures and everything else, so it's all kind of falling into perspective, and it's very interesting.